Hi, my name's Mark and I'm a service technician here at Digga Australia. Today we're going to be running through some maintenance checks with our Digga 4-in-1 bucket. The key feature of our Digga 4-in-1 bucket is low maintenance. However, there still are a couple of checks we can do daily before each use. Check all of your safety signs are in place, understood and followed correctly. If you're unsure on any of the signage, all of the correct information is in your operator's manual. Make sure all your nuts and bolts are tight on your linkages and pins. Check your hydraulic fittings and hoses for any leaks and make sure that no leaks are present. Check for any play and wear and tear on your pins, linkages and cutting edge. If you find excessive play in your pins and linkages or you have a worn down cutting edge, you can refer back to your operator's manual or you can get in contact with us to replace or repair any damaged or excessively worn parts. It's important to remember that any excessive build-up of debris around your cylinder can create damage to your cylinder rod and dust seal. Now that we've run through some checks, all that's left to do is grease your bucket. Your bucket will need greasing every 10 hours of use. Your grease nipples are located top and bottom of the cylinder and on the front of the pivot linkage. Apply grease generously, but not excessively. Be sure to wipe away any excess grease. This grease can attract dirt and debris, which will add to the wear and tear on your pins and linkages. If you're unsure of any of the information I've just explained, you can double check your operator's manual or get in contact with us at any one of our 3 branches across Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria.